same as the
It's
right?
the same thing as the review.
I didn't do the quiz. I just did the prep. I didn't like actually put it in.
Yeah, no, I haven't put it in yet. I just did the prep, and then I went to look at the quiz because I was like, okay, I have a little extra time. Let me go here and see what there is. Yeah, it's the same daggum thing.
Yeah, it says that at the beginning of the. It says that on stuff, but
I missed that part.
Yeah, I'm nervous.
Okay, well, I did really good on the prep, so I'm hoping. I mean, I hope I did.
I don't know how to do 5 and 6.
We're gonna go through, right?
Yeah.
Let's go through it all.
And let's compare answers.
Yeah.
Did we want to open the quiz and do it, or?
Yeah, I've got it open.
Okay.
Because I went to look at it and then realized it was the same thing. I was like, dang damn it. So I just left it open.
Okay, so let me see.
Yeah,
Although they're not, the questions and answers are not in the same, or the answers for the questions are not in the same order.
Yes.
Oh.
A or B, it's not necessarily the same on the test.
What?
You gotta be careful.
Because they have to be sneaky.
I think I think they do seriously kind of plot this, and
Oh yeah, I couldn't. I was gonna try to look at it again this morning, but it's been one thing after another after another. Our oldest son has got my husband's car at college, and we need to get that back, and preschool and elementary school, carpool, and blah, 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 blah. So I haven't looked at it again this morning, but sometimes you sleep on it. You're like, okay, I'm gonna look at that again and see if something clicks. But 5 and 6 and 12.
We can get to
Well,
it.
do you want to go through the first one, like the review, and just see, did everybody like do that and write down answers?
Yeah. And that's what the quiz is going to be, right? So I don't know, as we go through the questions, that we would just want to be like, okay, and just give all of our answers, and then if somebody is struggling, then we can address it.
Yeah, then we'll.
Okay.
Okay.
So
let me know when you guys are in the quiz.
I'm in there.
Yeah, I'm in there.
Of course I know. Oh.
So question 2, given a 90% confidence rate interval, the confidence interval of 45 and 105 for a mean heart rate, which of the following is the best interpretation of this confidence level?
I got A.
A, yeah. Well,
so we are 90% confident, right, that the true mean heart rate is between 45 and 105?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, because it's B in the quiz.
Yeah, it is.
Wait, what?
Yeah, don't just click the right, or you have to find it.
Because Lorena was saying that in the actual group meeting quiz, the answers are all mixed up. So it's A in the prep, but in the actual quiz, it's B.
Yeah.
Same answer, just different order.
Okay. The researchers decided to construct the confidence interval to determine if the difference of the means is significant. To determine whether the confidence interval would be reliable, they create QQ plots. And both are approximately normal. Are the requirements for constructing a confidence interval satisfied?
So on this one,
yes.
I got yes, the distribution of the mean of each sample is normal since the data have been determined to be normal.
Yeah, so B in the prep, right?
B in the prep.
B in the prep.
C on the quiz.
Oh my gosh, I hate this.
That's going to be annoying. Okay.
So I'm like,
I'm telling you, I'm serious. I sit there and plot this at night. Oh, hold on. Let's wait for Heather. She had some guy at the door.
That's a loud doorbell.
Yeah.
My mom has this doorbell. It's so cool. You can actually program in songs.
Ooh.
Because it has like numbers that associate to different keys, so you can like plot out a like a single line of a song, and it's really cool. Their farm, they call it's Deseret Meadow Farm, and so she's actually programmed in the doorbell before, in our lovely Deseret, where the
Oh my gosh,
it's so hilarious. I love it. She doesn't do it all the time, but just like at Christmas and stuff like that.
Sorry, it was my brother delivering potatoes that I bought from his daughter. Okay, Question 3, did you guys get, yes, the distribution of the mean of each sample is normal? Since the data have been
determined.
Yes.
That's number 2. Oh,
Yeah,
that is
that's
number 3.
No, it's 3 on the quiz.
This is gonna annoy the crap out of me.
Yes, okay. Sorry. 4,
It's all good.
confidence interval for the difference of mean using independent samples. Is that what you guys got?
That's what I got. D.
Is that
C on the
D on the
C
paper.
on the
like C?
Yes.
C on the quiz.
Was it D on the prep?
It's
D on the prep.
Wait, D is in dog or B is in boy?
E is in dog.
Dog.
Okay, that's what I got.
And then C is in cat on the
Independent. I'm like going back and
Okay.
writing, like as we're doing it, I'm writing what the letter is on the quiz just to keep myself straight. If we go back.
This is lovely. Okay.
Okay, so 5.
So 5, is that where we're at? I'm sorry. That's many
Yeah.
options.
Obtain balances of 90 bank customers rather than 30.
Yes.
Obtain balances of 90 bank customers. Yeah, that's what I have.
Sweet.
That is,
So this is number
Wait.
5.
and it's D as in dog.
Is a
Right.
dog.
Okay, so this next one, that's the one that you have a question on, right, Heather?
5.
Yeah, well, so it's
What?
number 6 on the quiz, yeah.
Oh, these are one number off too. God.
I
How do you
actually,
like
we didn't
write-
do this. Oh yeah. Hold on.
I am having a hard time determine the margin of error for this 95%. I'm assuming it's A 99.998.040, but I do not know how to do this.
Okay, wait a minute.
I
Hold
can't.
on.
So this is actually different from the actual question. The question before was do the confidence interval, but this is asking for the margin of error.
It's actually number 6. Look at number 6.
Yeah, I'm looking at 6.
Because it's X.
Best?
Oh no, that's the mark. You're right. That's not it either.
So the margin of error, isn't it 1.96?
No,
That would be the Z.
that's the Z.
That's the
Z.
T or the T.
Yeah, I know, but you do 1.96 and then you multiply it by the 2 divided by the square root of 4, which is just 1. So it's still 1.96,
Yeah, you're right. It is. I
right?
remember that.
Okay.
Wait,
You're
so
right.
I don't.
We didn't actually do that one. This question is not on the paper.
Yeah, so the margin of error you calculate by using the z-score, which for a 95% confidence interval is 1.96. Then you multiply that by the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. So the standard deviation was 2, and then the n was 4. The square root of 4 is 2. So you're just multiplying 1.96 times 1.
Wait, hang on one second. Did you guys get A on the actual exam? On
Yes.
the prep?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so
So the margin of error is just what you're subtracting or adding to the mean.
and then divide by 2. Yeah, 1.96. I get it both ways. So yeah, 1.96.
Okay. And so that's number 6.
So the lower bound.
On the
This
paper.
is not the same as the paper test. The lower bound
It
is
is a
98040, right?
98.04.
99.040.
You guys are all cutting out.
It's you're gonna put it the upper bound or the lower bound in, and then the upper bound. So it's A on the paper, but you're gonna do the first one and then the second one for number 8.
So 8 is 1001.960, right?
Yes.
See, I didn't know how to do that one though. I don't know what formula to use on when I did the prep.
That's the X plus or minus Z times.
Plus or minus Z. Okay, that's why I was doing the wrong
Yeah, it's plus or minus Z.
Z.
Z
Okay.
is the confidence interval, which is 95%, which is 1.96.
96. Okay, just making notes because I was trying to figure out T, but I didn't. I was trying to solve for T, so that was the problem.
Oh,
And
but
then
so you have a sigma. You have a standard deviation, so
Because then I was like, well, sigma is known. This was after a long time of studying, so I think I was a little fried. That's why I was
gotcha.
trying again this morning, but
Excuse me.
so question 9. To assess the accuracy of a laboratory scale. So this is question 6 on the prep, right?
Yes.
And I did not know how to do this.
The margin of
What-
error, all it is the the margin of error that gives you the formula and the thing.
Yeah, this is for
It's-
N.
You're finding n.
Okay, so I have n equals, in parentheses, z times sigma over the margin of error times 2, or to
Yes.
the power.
Squared, yeah.
Yes, squared.
Okay.
So it's 1.96 times 0.01 divided by 0.001 parentheses
Squared.
n squared. And that gives
And did you make
3.416, right?
Yep.
let's say what again? 38416?
Is it over the margin of error or over mu?
It is over the margin of error. It's m.
Okay, so, and the margin of error is the 0.96, right? Or 1.96. No, wait. Yeah, that's the margin of error, right?
It tells you what
Yeah.
the margin of error is in the problem. So look at the problem. It says the confidence interval for mu has a margin of error of plus or minus 0.0001. It tells you what the margin of error is.
Oh, so that's what you put in there, 0.0001.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just plug and play. So n equals z, which is the 1.96 times sigma, which is 0.01, and then over 0.0001,
Squared.
and then square it.
And then square. Okay. And it's the 38416.
Mm-hmm.
I actually did this the hard way. I took the equation that we did above and solved for n. I had forgotten about the sample size formula, which that's all it is. It's just already simplified. So I did it the hard way.
Well, you're smart. You can do it the hard way. I can't do it the hard way.
Uh,
Right.
Okay, so the next one.
so it was C though, right? 38416. Okay.
On the prep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, the next
Okay.
one, I got A on the prep.
A on the
plus
first one.
N.
And is it also A on the no?
No, it's D.
D, as in dog.
Yes. Okay. Then the next one was B on the prep, right? Which is also B on the,
Quiz. Yeah.
Was it B? I thought it was D.
So you say that
Reject the null. If P is less than the level of significance, we reject the null.
That is true.
P is low, reject the null.
Yep. I just circled the wrong one.
Well, oh, I'm so thrown off by the numbering on this.
Yeah.
So did we say the p-value is less than alpha?
Yes.
That's what I got. This is, I got A on the prep.
Mm-hmm. It's enough data of the bell shape with no outliers.
And the sample variances are nearly equal, which is C on the quiz. Right?
Yep.
Everybody got?
Yep.
Okay, and then the next one is the committed a type 1 error. Is that what y'all got?
Yes.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm just trying to match it all up. Yes. Okay. Type 1 error. Okay.
The next one,
By reducing the probability of committing a type 1 error, we also reduce the.
No, we
No.
increase.
So we
Probably.
increase the.
Oh, I circled the wrong one. Okay.
So it's A, right?
Oh, I circled the right one. I was reading the wrong one. Whoops. Sorry, man.
B on the prep, A on the quiz, right?
Yes.
A on the quiz.
14 is A.
Okay. And then
It was D on the quiz, or on the paper though, right? D.
this one I didn't know. I was thinking it was B, but I didn't know I didn't know how to do this one.
Yeah, 12 I put B with a question mark.
I put B with a question mark too.
I put A with a question mark.
Reject the ha?
No, you never reject the alternative hypothesis.
Ah.
So A and C
I must have
are
been
out.
thinking it was reject the null.
Okay, yeah, reject the ha. You never reject the ha.
Okay, so
Oh, sorry, the statistic guy calls him ha and ho, so that's what I call him too.
okay, so I've solved this out and got a p-value of like 0.000.
Now, how did you do that? I got it seems like I got 1.16 to 1.84 as I couldn't figure out how to get the p-value.
Okay, I did.
The normal probability app, or
Yeah, well, I did the 1.53 minus 1.5 divided by 0.17 over the square root of 100.
so
And so that gave me a negative 792.35. And when you put that in the probability app, it gave me 0.00, which is less than 0.05. So I said to reject the null because the alpha is greater than the p.
which formula did you use? Can you just tell me? What did you solve for? I mean, which formula? I didn't even know which formula to look.
So that was from Unit 1, right?
Yeah, it was.
It was what?
Do you do x minus mu divided by sigma? Is that what you did?
Yeah. Sigma over n.
And that's the z-score.
Over.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's because did you guys have to go?
Why did you do the n? Hold on.
Did you guys have to go back to last unit to figure out how to solve for z?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what I was thinking. I thought you're gonna have to figure out how to solve for z, and I'm gonna have to go to the unit before this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And to solve for z is x subtract mu divided by sigma just over n, not the square root of n or anything.
No, it's over the square root of n.
Oh, the square root of n.
Yeah.
Divided by the square root of n.
So that's the z-score for a distribution of sample means. Why aren't we just doing the regular z-score?
What is that one?
That one's just the x minus mu over the sigma.
Hmm.
I don't know how to do this one. If this one comes,
So wait a minute. X minus mu.
Just divided by sigma. Because the other one is for the distribution of sample means.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Right?
But I thought we were doing that because it says sample mean of X bar.
I don't know. You might be right. I'm just trying to.
I still think it's B, just because 95% of the time the X bar will lie within 2 standard deviations of the population mu. Because, and then did you guys get for the 95% of X bars will be 1.16 to 1.84. And that, the 1.5 lies in between that, 1.16 to 1.84. So that makes me think it's B, that the ho could be true, the null could be true. But I didn't know what formula to use. What did you get, Allison, for this one? Oh wait, you said reject the ha.
Right, but I thought it was reject the null. That's why I said that.
Null. Okay, so you would have got what Lorena got, reject.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I realize there I have a calculator error here. 1.53 minus 1.5.
0.03, right?
3. Yep. And then you divide it by 0.017. Oh, that's it's wrong. I had my math wrong. So your Z is actually equal to 176, which, hold on, let me go to the probability app here.
0.76?
1.76. And what part are we shading?
To the right, right? Because it's greater than?
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. To the right?
To the right, because it wants to know if it's higher. Then the probability is 0.392.
0.392.
0.0392, but they wanted to know.
0.0.
So
Then
did you do, which one did you do? Because I did 1.53 minus 1.5 divided by 0.117, and I just got 0.176. But are you doing divided by the square root of n as well?
I did, but I still got 0.176.
0.1.
Sorry. I got 1.76.
Oh, okay.
So the question is, which z-score are we doing? Are we doing the one that has n in it, or are we doing the one without n? Well, I guess if it gives you n, then you should use n, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so we're rejecting the null.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's still, so I had a little math error, but I still had somehow came out right because it's your z-score, or yeah, so the z-score is 0.0392, which is less than 0.05, so you reject the null.
Okay.
Okay. I did not know how to do that one. I still don't know how to do that one. Okay. Which is D, which is same as it was on the. Okay,
16 is C on the quiz, right?
no, it's if we're rejecting it,
No, no, 16 on the quiz.
D is in dog.
No, yeah.
16 on the quiz is C.
Are we failing to reject or rejecting?
No, number 16 on the quiz.
Oh,
She's
number-
the next one.
Sorry.
Sorry. I thought we had decided to reject the null.
Yeah,
We did. So that's D.
So I got D as in dog on 13, which would be B as in boy on the test, or on the quiz.
Yes.
Yes.
Samples T-test,
Yes.
Yes.
which is weird because that's a little different, right? So we put that one.
Wait. Oh, yeah, that's true.
It's independent samples because you're just picking kids or students from each group, but it doesn't depend on each other which ones you're picking.
Why did I put the N of a? That was weird.
So the next one,
The next one is the dependent sampling. If you select a brother to compare his academic achievement to a sister, you include the sister.
yeah, that's what I got too.
Dependent sampling.
So D on both. D is in dog on both.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Wait, you say D is in dog on both?
It's both on the paper and on the quiz.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
So the 4 types of confidence intervals listed below, which is appropriate for this situation. I had B, confidence interval mu when sigma is unknown.
Yes, which is
That's
A,
what I had.
Okay.
A on the quiz, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
And then
Oh, it's different again. Dang it. Which of the following 95% confidence interval for this analysis?
I didn't figure out the margin of error.
So we're gonna have to open the data file again.
Oh,
Are
jeez.
you sure? Can't we just take if we had the confidence interval, can't we just solve it from there?
But we need the mean.
No. Wait, 16 on, this is number 16 on the prep, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, because we didn't actually get the margin of error.
Didn't? What?
So it's asking for the margin of error.
Can't we just solve that from D? Did you guys get D as in delta?
Yeah. That's what I got.
So 2.024, 2.025.
What's your
Hold on.
equation?
This,
Huh?
What's your equation?
The D is in delta, the 15.217 subtract 11.168 divided by 2.
here, if you do this one sample t-test for means, it comes out with a standard error of the mean as 0.967.
Are you
But
doing
we're
that
looking-
on the,
That's
Margin
on
of
Excel.
error.
Is that not the margin of error?
Well, if the lower bound and the upper bound are 15.217 and 11.168,
Yes.
then the margin of error should be 2.025.
so you take the difference and divide them by 2.
Yeah, you take the upper bound, subtract the lower bound, and
Oh,
divide
that's
it.
right. We've done that before.
So, but I want to make sure you guys got the same thing.
Okay,
So
The margin.
Yes, you're right. You're right.
15.217 minus 11.168 divided by 2 is 2.0245.
Yeah,
Yeah.
rounded to 2.025, right?
Yeah.
Yes, 2.025. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then the lower bound is the 11.168, right?
Yep.
Yep, and 15.217.
Upper bound is
7.168. 15.217. So let me write down that formula again. So margin of error.
You can do it two ways.
So upper
Subtract the lower and divide by 2.
minus divide by 2. Okay.
Or take the upper bound and subtract the mean. You should get the same answer.
Okay. Okay. So
Got C on the quiz for 2022.
confidence interval for difference of means using independent samples.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what everybody got. Okay, good.
Okay.
so
You put the lower bound. So did you guys, D is in delta?
wait. For
Yes.
22, is that C or is that C?
Yes.
It's C on the quiz, D on the paper.
Why they look like that?
And number 23 was negative 423.
That's what I think.
Yes.
Because if everybody got C as in Charlie, then
Yes.
So number 24 is 5417.
Mm-hmm. And the next one is the ANOVA.
ANOVA. Yeah, that's what I got.
That'd be C.
The test statistic,
7.
7.978.
That's what I got. Is that what everyone got?
Wait, what's the test statistic?
It says it was C on the prep 7.978.
7 point. Gotta look at it again.
And the p-value was 0.002.
Wait, go back to 26.
Okay.
What number was that on the?
That would be the F statistic.
Charlie. 7 point.
It's C on the prep, on the paper.
So what's the number? Sorry,
It's 7.978.
you totally cut out. I'm sorry.
Sorry, it's 7.978.
I didn't see that answer anywhere.
Did you get Charlie on the prep? D?
It's number 24, right? On the prep?
20. No, 20 on the prep.
2020.
Yeah, on the paper, it's number 20.
Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, sorry, I was totally lost. Okay, my bad.
Okay, so
Sorry.
21.
Number or 27 is
Yeah.
0.02.
Yes.
And 28
There's
sufficient
sufficient.
to, it's got to be,
So it's B on the prep, right?
B, I got B as in boy.
E as in boy or D as in delta on the quiz.
G's and delta on the quiz.
Wait a minute. That all, wait a minute, there's sufficient. No, wait a minute. No, that's not right.
There's
It was B on the paper.
Yeah, B on the prep. And it's D as in dog on the quiz.
1, 2, wait a minute, is there 5 of these? Okay.
there's 5 on bowl.
4, 5. Oh, I can't get them all on my screen. Like I have to roll it, so I was missing. I was like, what? Because I was looking at what I thought was D, but it's really E, and I'm going, that's not right.
Oh,
I see a little screen here.
For number 27 on the quiz, you guys got 0.002, right?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
28 is D, correct?
Yes.
28 D is in delta.
One of the groups is different. So it's saying that there's sufficient evidence to say that at least one of the groups is different.
29 is dependent samples test.
Yep, so it's E.
And test statistic, you guys get A, 1.685.
Yes.
1.685.
Yeah.
24 on the prep or 30 on the quiz.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the p-value 0.096.
Yep.
Okay. And then 26, sufficient evidence to conclude that there is a difference in the cost.
You have B on the prep.
B on the prep.
Yeah, I have B.
Wait, oh, and
Number
they have
26?
to work differently. No, 26, I got B as in boy. Did you guys get B as in boy on the prep, on the paper?
Yes.
No, I got C.
We reject the null. So if you reject the null,
Sufficient evidence to conclude that there is a difference in the cost of tickets purchased from 14 to 90.
So it's
Yes.
B also on the quiz, right?
That's what I think, B on both.
yeah, I think so.
Do you agree, Allison?
Yes. What are we trying to say though? Are we trying to say that we rejected the null so that there is sufficient evidence
Yes.
It's
to prove the alternative?
Yeah, because
Yes.
you're saying that there is a difference in the mean. So you're saying there's sufficient evidence that there is a difference in the mean.
So I finally figured this out. This has been bugging me and I've not been getting this right. Like I'll get the reject the null or fail to reject the null, but then the like wording would
English
mess me
that's
up.
there.
So I finally figured it out. And if you reject the null, there's sufficient evidence that the may be true. If you fail to reject the null, then there is insufficient evidence. So they go hand in hand. So I made myself a little like note.
Yeah, because you can.
In fact, there's insufficient. Is that right?
No, there's sufficient. You can only reject the null if you have enough evidence to reject it. So
Yes.
rejection always requires sufficient evidence.
Yeah.
If you don't reject the null, it's because, or you fail to reject the null, it's because we don't have enough evidence to reject the
Yeah.
null.
I was always getting it mixed up, but I finally kind of made the connection, and so I have it written out so I can't mess it up anymore.
Okay, question for you guys. I submitted the quiz. On 23 and 24, did you guys put the 3 decimal places after it?
Hold on, 23. No? Do we need to put
No, I
0,
put-
0, 0?
Yeah, try doing that because it's saying that we got 0. So 23, you put negative 423, right? And for
Yeah. And
Yeah.
it wants 0, 0, 0 after that? Maybe? Seems silly.
Are those the only
What
two
about-
wrong? Laura, were those the only two that you got wrong?
Where'd Lara go?
No.
Lara!
Laura, did she get disconnected?
Is she? I think we did because I went to click on her screen to like see if she was moving and it now it's black.
So you all got C as in Charlie on the prep for number 18, right?
Yeah.
See?
Okay, sorry, I just got lost again because of my internet connection. So
Yeah, we thought so. So was that the only ones we missed?
yeah, those were the only, because we got 1 point off, and so those were two, both of them were 0.5 points each. So yeah, those were the only two we missed.
Okay, so I'll submit it. I'm going to change it and put 3 zeros after each number, and I'll
Okay.
submit. Okay?
Okay.
Everybody hold tight. Maybe hopefully I got all the rest of them in there. Save. Go to submit quiz. Submit the quiz. Yes, submit the quiz. Oh, let's see what we got. That we still missed one. What did I miss? I probably put something in different than the rest of you guys. Let's see. I missed 24.
Did you get 23?
No. No.
So 23 is wrong.
23 and 24 are wrong. Just, I can't see you guys. I don't know where you are, but I can hear y'all. So,
This is the Hummer.
So I'm gonna have to open that back up.
Okay, so that was number 18 on the prep.
Yeah.
yeah, we all got Charlie.
And all the same
There.
thing.
We're gonna have to rework that. Did we?
Oh.
95% confidence. We're gonna have to reopen everything and redo it.
Yeah.
Yep.
I don't know where you guys are. I lost you.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? There are decimals in the confidence interval. That's why. So try negative 423.238.
Oh.
And then for the high end, put.
Oh, we just took it off the paper.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, so wait, tell me what, hold on. Tell me what it is again.
So the low end is negative 423.238.
8.
And then the high end is 5417.336.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay,
Okay.
submit that and tell me if we got it right.
Okay, who wants to submit? Someone who has.
I'll do it.
Isn't this fun?
Stupid
I can think
paper.
of some things that are more fun.
Huh?
I can think of some things that are more fun.
I can't.
This is Heather's favorite
That
thing.
that works. That did it.
Okay.
100%.
So hold on, because me and Heather have to retake it. So give me 1 sec.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's why I'm like.
I'll give you the answers because I haven't submitted mine.
Well, and I can get that, or I can give them to you because I've got them all sitting here in front of me, right?
Okay, just 1 second. Let me. So,
One is true.
freak. Just a minute. I'm clicking on the wrong crap. Great meeting quiz. All right, start quiz. Okay. Okay. So true. 2 is. Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
B is in boy. Just say
B is in boy.
We are
Okay.
90% confident that the true mean heart rate
okay.
number 3, the distribution of the mean of each sample is normal since the data have been determined to be normal. So yes, C.
C is in cat.
Okay.
4,
Or C is in cat.
the difference in means using independent samples.
Okay.
Yes.
5
Scientific
is D
power.
is in dog.
Okay. 6.
6 is 1.96.
Okay.
7 is
7.
998.040.
998.040. Okay. 8.
Are you checking these, Lorena, just in case?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
question 8.
Number 8 is 1001.960.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 9 is 38416.
It's 5 numbers. 38416.
Yeah, 38,416.
Yep.
Okay.
Number 10 is D is in dog.
Less than, right?
Mm-hmm.
Question 11 is B is in boy.
Less than alpha.
12 is C is in cat.
Okay.
13 is A, as in Allie.
Okay. 1 error. Okay.
14 is A.
Okay.
15 is D, in dog.
Reject the hoe, right?
That is so horrible that he says that. Okay, 16 is
Shame on you. Oh, I'm not trying. It's 16.
16 is which one?
16 is B as in boy.
I never thought of it that way.
Sorry, now
B is in boy. No, I did. I'm rejecting the hoe. It's vulgar and obscene. Okay, independent. B as in boy.
17 is D as in dog.
16 was B as in boy, right?
Yeah. 17
17 is D as in dog.
D is in dogs. 18 is A. 9,
Okay.
2.025.
2.025. Okay.
20, 11.168.
11.168. Okay.
21, 15.217.
0.217. Okay.
22 is C as in cat.
Okay.
23 is negative 423.238.
Okay.
24 is 5417.336.
5417.336. Okay.
25, C is in cat.
ANOVA.
Yep.
Okay.
26 is 7.978. 27 is 0.002. Where are we? 28 is D is in dog.
Okay.
29, apparently I have nothing.
What?
What is 29, Lorena?
I had a different screen pop up.
Dependent samples test. Is that what everybody has?
So 29 dependent, right? E?
Dependent samples, yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's really weird. I didn't write anything in. Okay.
Got you.
Question
We're going
3.
through.
1.685.
Okay.
31 is 0.096.
Okay.
32 is B as in boy.
All right. And who submitted the quiz and got 100%? Larina?
I did.
Okay. Okay.
Well, that's making me feel a little bit better about the exam because I think I had most of those right.
I got one of them wrong. That's so weird. How did I get them wrong?
I got 3 of them wrong on there. So 3 out of 30.
I got 28 wrong.
What? What'd you put on 28?
The last one?
No, there's 5 of them, and so it's D. There's
It's
5
D.
answers. There's sufficient evidence to conclude that the mean bone density of at least one of the groups is different from the mean density of one of the other groups.
That's so weird because I told you guys D and then I had marked E.
Whoops.
Oh shoot! But no, that one is B as in boy. That one is there is sufficient evidence to conclude that B is a boy on the prep,
But it's D on the
but it was
paper.
D on the paper.
Yep.
That's weird. I'm just going to keep it. I don't care.
Wait, I don't think it. Wait, 28? Oh, 28 is D on the paper. Okay, gotcha. Sufficient evidence to conclude that at least one of the different. D is okay, gotcha.
That is so weird. I must have clicked, like as I was going through it and like just telling you guys the answers, I must have just clicked on a different one. That is weird. Oh well, I don't care. It's 96. It's all good.
That was your second.
No,
Is that your second? So
I can take it again. It's not a big deal.
you want to take it again?
No, I have all the answers. It's
you
not, I'm probably not going to take it again, but if I feel like I need to, I'll just go through because you can access your quizzes.
Okay. Okay.